Your printer will alert you when your maintenance box is close to being full and needs replaced. Open the paper cover. Open the maintenance box cover and take out the maintenance box. Place it in the plastic bag that came with the new maintenance box. You can recycle your maintenance box by going to epson.com/recycle program and following the instructions under how to recycle ink supplies, or you can contact your local OSHA office for information on how to dispose of it. Take out the maintenance box from the bag. Install the new maintenance box and close the maintenance box cover. Close the paper cover. Press pause and you are now set to print. In need of accessories, ink, or labels for your Epson ColorWorks C6500P? Visit smithcorona.com or give us a call at 1-800-875-7000.